Hey, this is Lily. Welcome back to my YouTube videos. I'll just take my glasses off. Right, today we're out on the first beautiful day of the week. Or weeks. And we're enjoying it. Aren't we, darling?
Absolutely loving it.
What's so beautiful about this walk?
It's well designed, right next to the underground tunnel going towards the city from the airport, Auckland Airport, of course. And it's, if you show it, if you pan it, it's well designed. Pan and see the structure, hun.
Yes, okay. Right, here we are, the structure, and as you can see just down the side here, this is the motorway.
It is well designed for public usage. And this particular walk goes all the way from Pack and Save and New North Road,
Yes.
all the way down to my Oro. And it goes all the way to Mount Roscoe.
Wow.
And in fact, it joins on to the beautiful walkway that takes us to Carrington down in Point Share.
Oh, yes.
So it's a beautiful walkway designed for public enjoyment, whether it be cycling or walking about. It's absolutely gorgeous.
As you can see, yes. I'll just take a shot of it that way, and then of course right behind me there. So we're going to go up on the bridge and have a look the motorway. So for you guys who don't know where we are, this motorway takes you all the way into Carrington, isn't it? Waterview. You come out.
It's a loop that takes you to the city, Auckland City.
Yes. And look at this view.
And this walk bridge that we're walking on, span it around, so you can see it. Takes us across from the Avondale side to Walkaway,
There.
Mount Albert, which is on our left up there.
There you go. What a perfect day. The weather has just been so cold in the past weeks, and now we have a perfect day to just get out and take in the sunshine and get some sunlight and enjoy the views of all the new buildings that are going up just along here as well. And that area there, is that Mount Roscoe or Mount Albert, sorry. Well, that's Mount Albert up the top, but this area here is Mount Roscoe, just along to my right hand side.